Glass Cleaner by Good Stuff is a professional, streak-free window cleaning solution. It delivers crystal clear visibility and fast results.
Got 'em running scared on a big bad wolf who I never see the silver lining.
Its safe, ammonia, and methanol-free formula makes it ideal for all automotive glass, including tinted windows and mirrors. It effectively removes greasy residues, dust, fingerprints, and road grime. The product evaporates quickly, yet with heavier contamination, it allows enough working time to clean thoroughly without leaving any marks. An added benefit is its fresh kiwi and grape scent.
We better as friends. I done told too many men we can't make no amends, and that's facts. Got 'em running scared.
Simply spray the surface, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and polish to a shine. Glass Cleaner means fast, safe, and effective glass cleaning.
Got 'em running scared on a big bad.
Time to level up your car care. Discover a whole new vibe with Good Stuff car care products.